So I never assume that you know me well if you've bought one of these courses because I never know. But I want to give you a quick introduction on me. So I started working professionally as a digital artist in about 2011, primarily as a comic book colorist. I've been drawing my entire life. My mom said I started when I was, as soon as I could hold something to scribble with, I was trying. So I started young and started working as a pro a couple of years ago. I've worked on Hack Slash, Postal. You can see Glitter Bomb. You can see on my website, if you go to comiccolor.com, there's a credits page. You can see a lot there. But I've been published so far, according to Comic Vine, who sort of keeps track of this stuff, 66 issues. I'm probably at 70 by now that just haven't been, there's a couple that haven't been released yet. But I've been doing that for a while. And I started doing courses online in 2014 after starting a YouTube channel, which still runs. And so the YouTube channel was originally designed strictly for coloring tutorials, but I've started to branch out since discovering Procreate. I find myself drawing and painting a lot more. So I'm starting to do tutorials on there as well. But I wanted to do something that was kind of better organized and more step by step because YouTube's not really optimal for that sort of thing. It feels sort of random in the way that it suggests videos. It's kind of hard to have a step-by-step process. So yeah, that's probably enough about me. But if you want to learn more, like I said, go to comiccolor.com, click on the credits page. You can read all about the books that I worked on, and there's a little about page as well that sort of explains a little bit more about me personally, all the people that I work for, and a list of collaborators I've maintained over the last couple of years. So yeah, there you have it. That's a little bit about me. So let's go ahead and move on.